Umndeni nabangani bakaKhuzwayo bathi bebe nethemba lokuthi uzolulama.
We are very, very heartbroken for the community, for his family, for his friends. And one wish for us as people who are close to him is that the perpetrators are brought to book. That's all we wish for. He fought very well, he fought very gallantly, and we were hoping that there's a ray of light when he came back to life and he started writing and speaking, and we hoped that the worst was over, but God has other plans.
Besinalo ithemba ukuthi uzobuya abenathi ngenxa yokuthi indlela alimala ngayo bathi ayikho severe kakhulu. So besinethemba nje esiphatheke kabi mfethu ukuthi ugcine sishile.
Bathi basahlele ethembeni lokuthi abenzi bobubi bazotholakala.
Nginathemba ukuthi abenzi bobubi bona bazotholakala. Yilokho nje engakusho, angifuni ukukhuluma okuningi kodwa nje siyazi abenzi bobubi abomthetho bazokwenza sure ukuthi bayotholakala, ubulungiswa umndeni uzokuthola.
Amaphoyisa athalandela umkhondo wabenzi bobubi.
This is one of the cases that we are prioritizing, and we have made good progress with the investigation, where we have some leads that we are following, and we are hoping that the results of the investigations will be just showing very soon.
Amaphoyisa ancenga umphakathi ukubunga sabalalisa imininingwane engasiliqiniso einkundleni zokuxhumana engacekela phansi uphenyo kuleli cala.